Hi there, it's Aaron Beaudry from Sutton Benchmark here in Sudbury, Ontario. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about the difference and the benefits of investing in real estate as opposed to the stock market or in our RSP or mutual fund. Now, the way that it works is that if you were to be buying a house or an investment property, say a $200,000 house or duplex, triplex, whatever, you put, say, 10% down, 20,000, or 5% down, 10,000. You put that down on the house. Now you have your mortgage, say it's $500 a month, or $500 on every 100,000. So say it's $1,000 a month for the mortgage. Now your property taxes, utilities, and all that say it comes up to about $1,500 a month. Now you have that $1,500 a month payment that you owe on your now $180,000, $190,000 house. Your rent's coming in, say your rents come in at $1,000 a month for both units if it's a duplex, and you're bringing in $2,000 a month. So what you're doing now is you have a positive cash flow of $500 a month. Now the difference between your positive cash flow and that $500 a month and on a stock is that in order for you to get $20,000 on a $20,000 investment on your stock, or a $10,000 investment in a stock or mutual fund, it's going to be very hard to find a dividend that will be paying you $500 a month every month on that investment in the stock market. Now, to go further on to that, what you're doing is your stock or your home is generally increasing over the length of time. So you have say you paid $200,000 for that house. Generally, over the past 30 years, that house would be worth more than $300,000. So let's just say $300,000. Now on that $10,000 or $20,000 investment that you made, you're making $100,000 on that investment. But here's where it's different than real estate than in the stock market. That initial $200,000 that you initially purchased for the purchase price of the house, the tenants have been paying it down. So your $20,000 investment with your tenants paying down your mortgage every month will give you more of a return every month as the time increases that you've been paying off that house. So every 5 years when you go to renew your mortgage, you'll owe less money. You'll still be getting that $2,000 a month coming in. Now your mortgage payment goes down, and say everything will end up going down and down, say $1,100. So now you're making that $900 a month, which is a lot better than any return you're probably going to get on any stock and a dividend. And when the time comes that you want to sell, 20 years, 25 years down the line, your initial $20,000 investment will get you $200,000 to $250,000 if it's paid off to say the $300,000 on that $20,000 investment that you did. Now, I don't know of too many stocks that even over the years with your compound interest and everything will have your initial $20,000 investment get you $300,000 after the 20 years of paying. Now that is the one lump sum. Now, if you take a look, it's even more, because every month that you're making that dividend on that stock every month, the $900 or $500 to start for the first 5 years, you're going to be making $25,000, $30,000. You'll have your initial $20,000 investment paid for in your first 5 years, guaranteed. So that's just something to think about if you have some extra money and you're considering whether you want to invest it in the stock market or whether you want to invest in a mutual fund, or if you're looking at real estate as an investment. So going by those numbers, which is pretty common, I would say that the real estate market is somewhere where you really do want to be investing. It's actually a much bigger return, a much better investment than any stock or mutual fund will bring. And it's a lot more predictable. You can go historically over the past 20, 30, 50, 100 years and see that real estate is always trended upwards. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about that, and if you want to take a look at some houses, investment properties, give me a shout. Phone number 705-561-2511, or you can go to my website. It's beaudge.com or sudburybankrepos.com. And I'm a sales representative with Sutton Benchmark Realty in Sudbury, Ontario. Thank you.